Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, are you ready for today's interview, Bill?
Inshallah, I'm ready, sir.
Okay, please tell me about yourself.
So, 30 April 2010 has born a boy named Abdullah Sabil Rashad. So, Sabil is just a normal kid out there. So, right now he is in IDN. So, he is me, Sabil. Before I entered to IDN, I study at a school called Buah Hati SDIT Buah Hati Islamic School. So in there I learn about general lesson like PKN, Indonesian language and others. So yeah, after that I found a good school. Is IDN boarding school Pamijahan Bogor. So I try to register there. So yeah, I get accepted in IDN. So I entered to IDN. So maybe I'm gonna tell you about my childhood. My childhood is like a normal childhood, like other kids out there, but maybe there is something special with me. So after I born, I directly get sick. So yeah, at that time I almost die. Yeah, maybe actually, but alhamdulillah, I'm not passed away. I'm still alive.
Alhamdulillah, you already survived. Okay. And how was your IT skill before joining IDN?
So before joining IDN, I tried to join some extracurricular about IT. Yeah, it's about, so when I entered to IDN, I already understand about Scratch. So yeah, so when I enter, I understand about Scratch. Yeah, so, but not with the other like Buildbox, Google Site, and WordPress and others. So before I enter to IDN, I learned little about Scratch, but not with Buildbox and other. Okay, so that's all, sir.
Okay. Then how would your IT, English, and Dinia, and moreover Tahfiz improve since joining IDN? How?
So maybe for IT, I improve many, like Buildbox. Before I join IDN, I don't understand about Buildbox and then WordPress and others, but alhamdulillah, when I entered to IDN, I understand about all of that. And about English, maybe in my elementary school, we didn't learn about speaking. We just learn about grammar. So I cannot speak English well at that time. But alhamdulillah, when I entered to IDN, I can speak English well, alhamdulillah. And about Dinia, maybe before I entered to IDN, I understand little about the Dinia lesson here. Yeah, so but I still improve little when I join to IDN. And Tahfiz, so in my elementary school, I have memorized 2 juz 2 juice. I mean more than 2 juice, maybe 2.5 juice. So when I entered to IDN, I got 0.5 again. So the total is 3 inshallah. But I'm not sure that all of it is mungkin. Yeah, so maybe that's all.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. And can you tell me about your game? What kind of game that you already created so far?
So maybe I'm gonna start with Scratch. So we made game only in 7th grade. Yeah, so first we learn about Scratch. So when we learn, we made around 8 games. So the first is Catching Fruit. Catching Fruit is a game where we need to catch some fruit and avoid the bug there. So we put a bug. Yeah, you cannot catch it, because if you catch it, we'll get a minus point like that. And then the second is Adapt Tidur game. Yeah, it's about manners before we sleep until after we sleep. So maybe it's not a game, but it's like a slideshow like that it is show us about the manners of sleeping. Yeah, like that. So the next game is Take Me Out. It is the third game. So in Take Me Out, we need to collect I forgot what is that. The main point, we need to collect that things until 20. After that, there's the second stage that we need to answer three question. The next game is Block Breaker. So Block Breaker is a game that we need to break all of the block, yeah, with a ball. This ball, and then there is some board under. We need to control the board for make the ball bouncing, yeah, and then hit the blocks until it's broken. Okay, next is Frog Hop, yeah, Frog Hop. So this game is just a frog that jump into the other lily pad until the end of the game, yeah, like that. Then I modified it into the floor is lava. So it's already 5 games. So the 6th is the Defender. So the Defender is game about it's like action game like that, shooting. So we control a tank that you need to shoot the other tanks. And then there is 3 difficulties there. First is easy, medium, and hard. Yeah. Okay. So next is Ninja Fruit. Yes, Ninja Fruit, that we need to slash all of the fruit except the bomb. And then the last game is Bomber Cat. Maybe it's gonna be my favorite game. So we play as a cat there, that we need to fight 4 crabs with a bomb. So we need to put the bombs around the crabs, then it will explode and kill the crabs. So continue to the next semester is we learned about build box. So in build box we have 5 games. First is 2D games and the rest is 3D games. So for the first is running Dino Google. Yeah, you know Dino Google that run and jump over the cactus. Yeah, we made that game also in Big Box. And then the second is running ball. So running ball, we play as a ball that rolling on the maybe inside the tunnel. That inside the tunnel there is an obstacle, and we need to avoid all of the obstacles inside the tunnel. And then is jumping cube. For jumping cube, maybe it's just like a normal game. We control a cube, and then it will jump on some board, and if we fall, yeah, and maybe that's enough for the game.
Okay.
So yes,
Can you give a real quick words for IDN?
for IDN, maybe I never found some school that like IDN. It's a boarding school with a different curriculum. Yeah, we learn IT here, and I think for the senior high school is different with other senior high school. Yeah. I mean, we learn the material is maybe is for university. Yeah, so yeah, maybe that's all for the words for IDN.
Okay. Thank you. That would be all for today's interview. You may close.
Maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.